So I'm in the DHCP management console. Is a current DHCP server. So we need config the failover. So right click. So by the way, this server is 2012 Windows Server Standard. Config failover. So which scope you want to config? Partner server. So add a server. So choose your partner server. Okay, so next. Okay, next. So some config. Local server, partner server 50/50. Enable message. Share the key. Success. So let's go back to this. This is the another server. So let's refresh. So we can see this scope is on now. So that means we successfully configured failover.